Hello everyone, this is RKV and you are watching Unveil Universe. Samsung Galaxy Note 9 is reported to be coming out earlier than expected. Samsung Galaxy S9 is already released and now it's turn for Samsung to clean up things quickly for the upcoming Galaxy Note 9. A number of industry insiders have speculated that Samsung has decided to launch its phablet device, the Galaxy Note 9, earlier than the usual release date, as sources have noted that the latest flagship device launched by Samsung is not meeting its expectations by the sales, mainly because of the consumers are not willing to invest on the Samsung Galaxy S9 and are still waiting for the next big thing, that is the Note 9. In South Korea, buyers are sticking with their old Galaxy S8 or the Note 8 units and are not going to upgrade until they get a wow factor like the in-display fingerprint scanner or the complete removal of the bottom chin. So all these factors lead Samsung to release its next flagship, aka Note 9, a month earlier or so. It was discovered that the OLED panels for new smartphone models will start its mass production in the month of April instead of June. This clearly means that the Note 9 could be hitting the stores as early as June or as late as the month of August, which is a bit ahead of the Apple and its annual September launch. So, what are your thoughts on the upcoming Galaxy Note 9? What do you think about the in-display fingerprint scanner? Would it be included, or do you think that Samsung will leave it for the Samsung Galaxy S10 or the 10th anniversary S device? Do let me know in the comment section below. And that's all for today. If you like the video, do hit that like button and do not forget to subscribe to my channel. I'll see you tomorrow in the next one. Until then, peace.